Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Printify app from your Shopify store, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Printify app from your Shopify store, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. In the Apps section, you will see a list of all the apps installed on your store. Find the Printify app in the list. Click on the Printify app to open it. Within the Printify app, look for the option to uninstall or remove the app. This option is typically located at the bottom of the app page. Click on the Uninstall or Remove button. A confirmation prompt will usually appear to confirm your decision. Read the prompt carefully, and if you are sure, click on the Confirm button. After confirming, the Printify app will be uninstalled from your Shopify store. To ensure the removal is complete, return to the Apps section. Check to see if Printify is no longer listed among your installed apps. If it is still there, refresh the page. Once confirmed, you have successfully uninstalled the Printify app from your Shopify store. Remember to check your store's settings for any additional integrations related to Printify that may need attention. That's it, you've completed the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.